friends, today I'll be sharing some cool and fun facts about the solar system. Our solar system is like a big space. It has a big star in the middle called the Sun. There are 8 planets that go around the Sun. It also has moons, asteroids, and comets. All of these things move through space together, like a big space family. Are you ready to explore the planets with me? Let's go! First planet of our solar system is Mercury. It is closest to the Sun. Days are super hot, but nights are freezing cold. It is also the smallest planet and has no moons. Venus is the second planet. It is hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. Thick clouds cover it and trap the heat. People call it Earth's sister planet because they are almost the same size. Venus has no moons. Next is Earth. This is the planet where we live. It is the only planet that has life. Trees, animals, people. About 70% of Earth is covered in water, which is why it looks blue from space. Earth has one moon, and Earth takes 365 days to go around the Sun. Fourth planet from the Sun is Mars. It is also called the red planet because of its rusty soil. Mars has 2 small moons. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. It's the biggest planet in our solar system, and more than 1,000 Earths could fit across it. Jupiter has 95 moons, more than any other planet we know. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It's famous for its beautiful rings made of ice, dust, and rocks. Saturn has over 80 moons, and the biggest one is called Titan. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It's one of the coldest planets, an ice giant with cool blue-green color. Uranus is special because it spins on its side like it's rolling through space. It has 27 moons. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun. It's a beautiful blue planet because of methane gas in its atmosphere. It has the strongest winds in the solar system. Neptune has 14 moons. Now you know all about the 8 amazing planets in our solar system. I hope you had fun and learned something new. I look forward to connecting again soon. Until then, take care and goodbye.